My name's Chris Russell, and I'm the Digital Director at the Keyholding company. So what I'm going to show you for the next 5 minutes or so is what we call our Smart Security Platform, which is effectively the client front end that connects you directly to those attending officers via the mobile application. So I'm just going to quickly sign in here. Now the first page you're presented with is the request job page. So I'm quite simply going to select the property I'd like to book the job against. I'm then presented with a list of all the different types of services that we're able to complete for that property. In this case, I'm going to select the emergency and temporary guarding provision. I'm then asked when I'd like the shift to start and when I'd like the shift to end. In this case, I'm going to start at 10 a.m. and finish at 7 p.m. Now, right now I have one job in the basket, but what I can do is copy that across to multiple days and effectively build a shopping list of all the different types of services that I would like completed over various day periods. When I click next, I'm then presented with all of the compliance and task related questions specifically to the guarding provision. So in this case, will the guard have access to welfare facilities? What is the type of guarding we're there to do? In this case, I'm going to select education. Are there any specific tasks that might be needed when we get there? What are the uniform requirements? Will the guard be accompanied by someone when they arrive? Any particular health and safety concerns? Is alcohol served? This is important to the license of the officer that we're supplying. Same with whether they're monitoring CCTV or not, and whether there's any personal protection equipment required. Lastly, if there's a specific thing you'd like the officer to look at when they arrive, to send some notes directly to their mobile device, you can do that here. So please check the cat. All I'm going to do is click request booking. So now that booking has been instantly requested and it has automatically gone out to the 3 carefully selected partners that we've picked for this contract. So that has appeared on their mobile devices and their desktop applications, and it is now waiting for the first partner to accept that job and provision the appropriate resource. Now you can view the status of those jobs in real time by looking at the view jobs page. So on this page, you can see these jobs that I've just requested, and you can see that they're currently in a status of awaiting confirmation of attendance. As soon as one of those partners and the attending officer opens their mobile device and clicks, yes, I'm going to attend that job on the date and time you've requested, you will see the status change to attendance confirmed. Now the main thing that this screen is normally used for is viewing the information from completed jobs. So if I find a completed demonstration guarding job, you'll notice here we quite simply have the property that we were called out to, the date and time the job was booked for, what time we arrived and what time we left and how long we were there for, and any notes that were captured. This is an extremely simple workflow. All of these workflows are completely customizable, so if there is a specific set of instructions or tasks you'd like us to complete, you would get a breakdown of what those tasks look like. To give an example of what that looks like in practice, if I look at an example alarm call where we have a default workflow set up for all jobs that we complete, you get the same information at the top of the screen, but if I scroll down to the bottom of the screen, we then get this task by task breakdown of everything the officer did. So any free text information they captured, any photos they captured, obviously in this case this is a demonstration job, so these are example photos, but you get a time-stamped entry for every single thing they did. So as well as being able to book jobs in real time and view completed jobs in real time, another core part of the functionality of our platform is being able to edit property information in real time. So again, if I go through and find the property I'm interested in, I'm then presented with a range of parts of information of this particular property, such as emergency contact, which is who we contact in the event of emergency, any job report recipients that are specific to that property, but importantly, if I want to edit the assignment instructions, and what we mean by that is if you have door codes or alarm codes or any other relevant information that is frequently changing against this property, you can go in here, edit that information, click save, and the second you click save, that is immediately available to any attending officer that attends any jobs beyond that point. Now there are lots of other features of this platform, such as viewing property schedules, adding new properties, seeing connected smart devices, viewing our comprehensive analytical suite, managing user access rights and downloading invoices. But for the purpose of this demo, we wanted to keep it focused just on the job booking and management process. So I'm going to conclude the demo here. Thank you very much for listening, and please do send us any questions if you have any.